Hey everybody, Billy Bogus from American Detailer Garage, and today I want to talk to you about a new towel from Auto Fiber. It's the double flip wash towel. I've been teasing about this for a little while. I've been testing this towel and running it, and I really love it. And here's why. I'm a rinseless guy. I like to do rinseless washes, waterless washes. I don't do many traditionals unless it's just a trash car. But the one thing that I've discovered over time is when you try to use a thicker plush towel, I call them clumsy towels, as you're going across the surface, the towel wants to wad up on you. That's not the case with the double flip rinseless towel from Auto Fiber. It's an 1100 GSM towel. I'm going to show you how it works. As a rinseless method, just put it in your wash bucket with your grit guard obviously in the bottom. I always recommend doing a pre-soak. So we're going to take our wipe out and we're going to pre-soak this hood. That allows the product to emulsify and encapsulate any dirt that's on the surface. And you take the double flip towel, and whatever your preferred method is, you do your wash. When the towel gets dirty, you can either choose to flip it over or flip it inside out. The one thing I love about this towel is it doesn't wad up under my hands. 1100 GSM, and this towel flows just like a wash towel should. Just like that. Again, you can flip it over or you can double flip it, hence the name the double flip towel. That's your rinseless method. Now if I want to dry, at this point you can either use your drying aid or I can just go straight to my big thirsty towel. If you're using wipeout, you already know. It just dries so easy. Another great towel, the big thirsty. Some guys are waterless guys. They prefer the waterless wash method, which is a little bit misleading because you're always going to have water in your solution. But I want to show you how that works. So let's say I grab a dry towel. Again, double flip towel, 1100 GSM. The way you would do this is pre-soak your towel with wipeout. And then you work your panel, whether it be a door. Soak it down, allow the product to work. And then simply take your towel. You can either stick your hand in it to get up into tighter areas, or you can just hold the outside of it and do your waterless wash. Again, always keeping in mind where your dirt transfer is. If you need to move the towel back, move it back. If you got to flip it over, flip it over. When it gets dirty, just simply flip it inside out and you're ready to go. Maybe 2 or 3 towels to do a full-size SUV. I really prefer this towel to your more traditional thick style deep pile towels because it doesn't, I call them clumsy towels. They want to wad up and act all crazy while you're trying to work. When you're trying to make money, you don't have time for mistakes. You don't need to be fumbling and bumbling towels. The double flip towel from autofiber.com does exactly what I need it to do perfectly. You can check them out at autofiber.com. Run, don't walk. Immediately, autofiber.com, and check out the double flip wash towel.